Hello everyone! So if you want to install an iOS theme on your Xiaomi Redmi A3, first of all open up your Play Store. And in your Play Store you have to find your search bar, open up your search bar and look for iOS launcher. I already have this search, so let's do this. Now find your launcher OS from Apps GenZ and press install, and let's give our phone a few seconds to install it. After that, let's press open and let's wait for the loading screen. Alright, now we will need to accept some permissions, so press consent. Alright, so now you are to choose a language which you're gonna use. I'll choose English. As you see, there are a lot of different languages, so choose the one which you're using. Press continue. Alright, now press next, press next, press next. Once again, press get started. So now you're to select your wallpaper. For example, let's select this one. Press continue. Now it will be prompted to buy a premium package. However, we can keep up with the free version. However, this free version has some ads on them. Now give your phone a few seconds to load it up. Let's tap on our screen. So now here is a very important step. We need to press this launcher to use it as the default, because otherwise it won't be working. So in order to do that, open up your OS launcher, and here you'll find your set as default launcher tab. Press on it. Now you'll be prompted to choose between Go Launcher and Launcher OS. So choose Launcher OS, go back, and basically that's it. Now, as you see, everything looks very much like iOS, and I think it's pretty good. Looks quite nice. So once we completed this, our Redmi 3 will have the iOS style theme and it looks really cool. If you want to decorate it further, you can open up the launcher. Let's do this. Alright, here it is. So let's open up the launcher, and here we can download additional options like Dynamic Island or Control Center, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day.